Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. I am so blessed. I cannot tell you how much I appreciate each and every one of you in the doll community. And I mean that, especially in today's world where we're really only visiting virtually. And I want to thank you for all of the nice comments you always leave. I do try to answer those. And for all the friendships that you have reached out with, I gotta tell you, that means so much. I have recently been blessed with Happy Mail from Little Crafty Kitty, that is this t-shirt, and Miss Chrissy Cat. Now say that real fast 3 times. Little Crafty Kitty and Miss Chrissy Cat. But what I'm opening today is I won a prize, and I won this on Evergreen Art Dolls channel. Evelina has a really fun channel. She just oozes class and elegance. And then you see her dolls, and it's not that they aren't, but they will surprise you what she has. They are fantastic, and they are fantasy dolls. She actually does painting and silicone molding and all kinds of wonderful things. I mean, when it says Evergreen Art, she is an artist. She had a contest, and I happened to be a winner. It was a very generous contest. I'm trying to remember what all there was. There were 3 dolls and I think something else. I'm excited about the dolls because, you know, I'm all about these trolls. Yeah, it's a troll. I know what it is, and I'm excited to open it. Oh, look at this. How cool is that? Thank you, Evelina. What a fun surprise. And a little Valentine's Day card with stickers front and back. Let's open that. Oh, how fun is that? How fun is that? Congrats. I hope you like your new troll doll. I also enjoy your channel. Keep it up. Peace, love, and blessings. Evelina. Thank you so much. Oh, and look at this. She even wrapped it in a blanket with, I don't know, those hearts, kind of Valentine-ish. And here it is. Oh, wow. I love these trolls. I love that. Thank you so much. She will be joining my other trolls in my large collection. I just did a video that shows my my troll collection. So I hope you'll go see that, and I hope you'll visit Evelina's channel at Evergreen Art Dolls. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. Me, I'm gonna go eat some chocolate. Thank you so much.